Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple Instagram post in Canva with just words. We'll do a one with pictures a different time. This one is just words. So we're in Canva. We're going to go ahead and go to home, which we're already at. But if I were getting back into it, and I'm going to type in Instagram post. With that, you see some options, but I'm going to click on Instagram post. Now that I'm here, I'm going to click on a blank one to show you how to do it from scratch. Of course, you can play with the templates, but let's do one from scratch. Now I'm here, and here's where the text is at. I'm going to click text, and it's going to give me options of texts that I can choose from. Once I choose it, I can actually change it again if I would like to. But let's just go here. Let's click this one, and the pairs on the screen. I want to highlight this by double clicking, and then now I can change the words I want. How to make an Instagram text post. This words right here, I can click it and delete it. I can resize this to make it what I want. I can change the color by going here. Let's keep it black. I can also change the font, right? And you can play around with what looks good for you. And there you have it.